Deficiency of vitamin C caused which disease? Deficiency of vitamin C causes which disease? The correct answer is scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? Deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? The correct answer is rickets. Deficiency of vitamin A causes which disease? Deficiency of vitamin A causes which disease? The correct answer is yes. The correct answer is night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B1 caused which disease? Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes which disease? The correct answer is beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin B3 causes which disease? Deficiency of vitamin B3 causes which disease? The correct answer is pellagra. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes which condition? Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes which condition? The correct answer is pernicious anemia. Which vitamin is synthesized by the human body through sunlight exposure? Which vitamin is synthesized by the human body through sunlight exposure? Yes, the correct answer is vitamin D. Which vitamins are fat soluble? Which vitamins are fat soluble? So the correct answer is vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Deficiency of which mineral causes anemia? Deficiency of which mineral causes anemia? The correct answer is iron. Deficiency of iodine causes swelling of which gland? Deficiency of iodine causes swelling of which gland? The correct answer is thyroid gland. Which vitamin acts as an X? हाँ, क्या कौन सा लिंक? दो क्वेरीज हैं. सबसे पहले वाली जो है जिसमें आई क्लाउड नहीं आ रहा है, वो हो गया ना वो? ठीक है, क्या हुआ था उसमें? ठीक है, वो भर भी जाता है उसमें. जैसे इस वीक की सारी डाउनलोड करके वहाँ से हटा देना. ठीक है, हाँ वो भर जाएगा तो डाउनलोड नहीं होगा, मतलब वहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगी. मुझे 22 तारीख का दिख रहा है इसमें डेटा पैनलिस्ट के साथ जो शेयर करना है. हाँ, एक बार मैं इनकॉग्निटो पे चला के देखता हूँ। Which vitamin is essential for the formation of visual pigment? Which vitamin is essential for the formation of visual pigment in the eye? So the correct answer is vitamin A. Which vitamin acts as an antioxidant and protects cell from damage? Which vitamin acts as an antioxidant and protects cells from damage? The correct answer is vitamin K. Calcium deficiency in the body can lead to which condition? Calcium deficiency in the body can lead to which condition? The correct answer is hypocalcemia and muscles. Which vitamin B is also known as folic acid and is critical during pregnancy? Which vitamin B is known as folic acid and is critical during pregnancy? The correct answer is vitamin B9. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? The correct answer is vitamin A.